friends, join me for a nighttime decorate with me. We're working on my upper shelving and the coffee bar. Now in my family, we do not do sugar, sweetener, syrups in our coffee. We just like it straight up coffee with cream. That's just how we like it. We're just doing straight up coffee and decor. If you're looking for shelf styling ideas or countertop ideas for Christmas, come on, join me. Let's do the shelves first. I'm excited. Okay, so to give you an overview of what we are working with, we're gonna be styling those 3 shelves and this countertop. There's the microwave, lots of storage. Let's get into it. I'm a rustic girl. I love rustic mixed with nicer pieces. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna go in with this huge serving board. Found this at Home Goods at a great price years ago. So just a little tip, if you have a lot of wall space that you wanna fill in, that's when these big trays come in handy. See what I mean? It's a great space filler. There's a shop in town, they sell loads of mud pie decor, which I love. I'm completely obsessed. But I thought this was darling. I loved the base of this. Who doesn't love a pine tree? By the way, we're gonna nestle that right here in the corner. Let's add a little nutcracker. Okay, next, I came across these really cute cookie jars at Walmart. This is the larger version and this is the smaller version. So we're gonna set them, I don't know, right there. Okay, on Amazon, I love this tray. It's a gold tray. It's sort of a little bit of a matte, but it looks vintage. It looks like it's been around a while. That's why I like it. But even with these sorts of trays, they're great space fillers. So that is what we're doing. We're going up a level and up here to mimic the round tray there. Right there, sort of angled. You'll see. We are sort of mimicking what we did over there with a little pine tree up in this corner. So now that we have the gold tray and we sort of mimicked the wood tray over there, we're also gonna go in with this pine tree to do the same thing over there diagonally. Okay, I have a whole bunch of these really cute little balls I found at Hobby Lobby last year. I threw them in a cloche top and it has a gold base. Look how cute that looks. It's like a little bit of sparkly glam with the gold. It also has gold glam glitter down here, really pretty. And this adds the fun factor. I have another one, it's smaller and it has a base to it. It's a part of the same collection, and so we're gonna place that right beside it. So moving moving up top, we're going in with the deer and Santa. Okay, I'm just gonna briefly show you what I'm gonna put up there because my tripod won't go up higher. I won't be able to explain to you where I got certain things. Walmart. We're going in with just a little texture. These are awfully pretty. They're like little berries and they're very glittery. We're just gonna kind of put them at his feet. Now I'm going in with this beautiful black and white marble board. This is from Amazon. It's Bloomingville. I hope they're available because they're gorgeous and super good quality. I have more than one because I love it that much. And by the way, this makes a great backdrop as well. I really like how the 3 shelves turned out, but there's a problem. Okay, so right up there, I have 2 vases, each with topiaries. They're kind of getting lost up there to me, and I really want to dress them up. So I think I'm going to add some red ribbon. Much, much better. Now it's all tying in together. Now we need to move down here and jazz this up. Now we really don't use this for prep of any sort. When we come over here to make our coffee in the morning, we stumble over here, grab some coffee mugs, you know, set them down, pour our cream, and done. So if you're a more is better girl, like me, you have all this to decorate with. So I found this beautiful gold looking tray at Home Centric for $14.99. If you caught my kitchen decorate with me video for Christmas, I used gold here and there. So I want to tie the gold over there, over here. Look at these adorable Nutcracker mugs. Now you guys have heard me mention my dear friend Lucy, who sends me the most beautiful gifts. We both have a love for Mackenzie Childs. And so she gifted me this set years ago. You guys, but look how beautiful it is. Let me turn it around. I don't want to break it. Look how cute the back is. And here's the front. I'm gonna set them on the gold tray, so when we wanna have our coffee, you just take one off the top. Now I have the Santa Claus. I found this at Home Centric, and by the way, my favorite brands, Mud Pie. So cute. Y'all, I blame you. You asked for the more is better girl to come back. She's back. I'm adding more. I'm loading it up over here. I can't help myself. Aren't these beautiful? It's red and gold with pearls. So pretty. I'm gonna sit them down. Boom, boom. We're bringing a bit of rustic in. Again, I love to mix rustic with other pieces. You caught my kitchen decorate with me video. I added little pops of black. So I want to, again, pull that over here. So I'm going in with this beautiful serving board, home centric, and I'm really just using this as a backdrop. By the way, you guys know how I preach to the choir, let there be light. I have a puck light under here. It has a 3M sticky tape with a magnetic part to it, so it just snaps right to it. Comes with a remote, and you're good to go. I'm gonna add a little kitchen light. By the way, you can find similar ones on Amazon. I got this at the at-home store, and you could fill this with peppermints. It would be super cute, or pine cones, whatever you like. Even red and green M&Ms would be super cute. And then you just put a little dish underneath it. So it looks like that. Adding more black, cake stand, wreath, or nutcracker. Originally had this arrangement where those trees are. Let me know what you like better. Maybe I take the marshmallows away and put the trees in. Yep, that's the winner. I'm adding some ribbon right there to kind of tie in the kitchen to over here. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me and watching me decorate my little coffee bar for Christmas. I want to wish you all a blessed and wonderful Thanksgiving. Be careful in your kitchens. If you didn't catch Monday's video, go watch it. Be careful in your kitchens. Keep your timers on. Watch the oven. And thank you guys for the support you've given me through my Amazon affiliate links. It really, really helps my channel. It allows me to bring you new home decor and fashion through the seasons. Even just clicking a link helps me, believe it or not. So anyway, just a reminder, Black Friday is coming up. Black Friday is really already started. There are deals to be had just around every corner. In the next several days, I'll be trying to update my store and adding some Black Friday finds that I find that are kind of hot or good deals. So be on the lookout for that. I will link everything in the description box below. So when Black Friday rolls around, or if you want to check out the early deals, check my links because I do find a lot of good stuff. If you go to my storefront, you can look at all my thumbnails, find something that interests you. Say it's kitchen decor. Look for the thumbnails, click on it, and then scroll through everything that I'm showing there. You'll see red stickers that say deal, deal, lightning deal, Black Friday. So be on the lookout for that. I'm always here to help. And you guys, God bless. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And I may see you back here Friday, but if I don't come back, you definitely can expect me the following week for sure. I know it's a time for family and friends. I don't want to take away from that. So I might skip out on Friday's video, but I might do a pop-up. You never know with me. So anyway, God bless, and I'll see you soon. Mwah! Happy Thanksgiving.
Everyone